Hey guys, in today's video I am going to share an idea about vertical planter and I really hope that you are going to like it. Now if you have less space in your balcony and if you want to grow more plants, then you would be able to do it very easily and grow as many plants as you like. It's really very simple and you can do it in just 5 minutes. Now let us see the things that we need. So the very first thing we need is some flowering plants. I am going to use Marigold and Dianthus. Please also note that I bought the plants recently and these are not my plants, and you can use any plants that you prefer. On second, definitely we need a container, and for that I am using a 12 inch of container. Next we need a PVC pipe. This is a 3-foot long pipe and you can get it from any hardware store. Next, some wooden sticks, coconut coir fiber rope, and finally the potting soil mix. For the potting soil mix I am taking 50% of normal garden soil, 25% of coco peat and rest 25% of vermicompost. The next steps are really very easy and I hope you can just follow me. So guys, this is how it's looking finally, and I am really not sure whether you are going to like the idea or not. Anyway, please let me know your thought, because it really helps me a lot. If you found the video useful, please don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And many thanks for doing that. Thank you very much for watching the video. I truly appreciate it. Have a great day and enjoy.